How to add cash to Cash App. Hello everybody. In order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So open up your Cash App application and you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, you may go ahead and locate up the bank icon in the bottom left corner. The dollar icon, go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it here it will show you a cash balance. Including that, we have option of adding cash and cash out. Since we are adding cash, tap on add cash option. And after tapping on it, here it will show you the balance thing. So here it gives you automatically option of adding $10, $25 or $50, and we have $100 and $200 also. But if you want to add manually, you can tap on the three dot at the last option on the sixth box. Go ahead and tap on it. Once tapped on it, it gives you an option to enter up your desired amount. So go ahead and enter up your desired amount. For example, $12, and tap on add. And once that is done, it should basically add up the cash on your Cash App. So that's it for now. You may follow up these methods. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.